Saula dulna papa Paul Sande Emolot karila polonoi punyala kina kayala mana polonoi nesobuo buangun kanaje tungalu atuko kina swingina toni ay nyamaringes alomari trogo lo lanya lo einono apota ina peta no ageda gela ko tupakisi e kawlo ke dole sawalo Esiboikin ngesi pot bishops yarelu yengna ka Bishop Charles Obaikol kosodi Bishop Nicodemus Okile ka Bishop John Eitu lo jana kini kesapotu ingareniksi aina peta donu ay kopanakin papa Paul Sande Emolot iswamaita lu einono kanungesi ay chukuna swamkena ebe.
We are the eyewitnesses of what had taken place in the bringing about of Emorimor Papa Iteso. The way we pray that chaos, God has organized like a musician who organizes noise so as to form music. And the music that we are today dancing is that of coronation of a man of God called to serve God and to serve us all. We are all the children of our cultures, and Ataker is our mother. Let us manage that of God's creation well. This goes with governance of the people under the charge of Papa Emorimor. Emorimor, you are crowned to lead and to govern Ataker. Ataker is not only limited to the Iteso in Teso. Mother Teso, the Iteso in Tororo, we go to our uncles, the Karamojong, we go to the Turukanas, we go to the Toposas, and you name them. So it is not just in Teso, it is Ataker, the people of God. Ataker, which is greater than you, Paul, who is being crowned today.
Kanepa nen ngarino kolu atekeri nidu ajasi kesemori atosiche senatalo Busia county o jaila ije koto mo parliament loko Kenya jakait okea okoiti so konyete governor lo Busia county Kenya Dr. Paul Nyongaza Othoma so konyete Apollo na icholong lo ikabakan atuko tukana ikabakan na kwa Uganda papala ngosi bibi isabandi so konyete Apollo Kinto na tukona ikabakan kalaije kompama saba John Muguya kesi iche kamundu ajai kinangina.
For those who are here, Papa Emorimor, government of Uganda cleared dysfunction. The government, the central government, cleared dysfunction. The government of Uganda has supported several cultural institutions. Even this one today, government would have sent a representative in your coronation. But I am very disappointed that we are here, but the central government has not sent a representative here during your coronation. For those who are with government, please go and tell government that this is the leader that the Iteso have chosen to lead them. Other institutions have been supported. We request government, be courteous and stop taking Iteso for granted. No. You supported Wenzori, you supported Busoga, you supported Buganda. When it comes to ours, government does not send a central government representative. Why? Honorable Adoa is here. Honorable Adoa is seated here because she's from Ataker. Honorable Lokeris is seated here because he's from Ataker. Honorable Ikuya is seated there because he's from Ataker. Now, who is representing government in this function? Now, Papa Emorimor, we are going to support you. But government should open its hands all over the country, not selective application of representation. One, I want to request you, Papa Emorimor. Iteso were the second largest tribe in Uganda, but we have been reduced to number 7. I want to request you, mobilize Iteso from wherever we are so that we go back to number 2 as we were. We were second to Uganda.